Wow! I can't believe how many sweets we've got.
I know.
So much more fun than when we did it at the castle.
One more house left.
No, Molly. I think we've got enough. It looks dark, Molly. I don't think anyone's home. Molly, Mum said we should be home by now.
You're not scared, are you? You're too old to be scared, right?
No, I'm not scared. Just bored.
Huh? Ooh!
Oh, what a shame. Nobody's home. Now let's go. See? Nobody's home. Now let's...
Stella?
Hi!
Oh, typical Stella.
Look at all this.
Best loot ever.
And them? What happened to them?
I think they saw a ghost. But don't worry, they're too old to be scared of ghosts.
OMG, we made it. We're alive.
Huh?
It was a monster.
A real monster, and we ran.
It almost got us.
We barely survived.
I swear it was real. You should have seen it.
Are you going to open that, Your Highness?
What? No! Mr. P, don't!
Your Highness, it seems your esteemed teacher is here to see you.
Huh?
I think these belong to you. I didn't scare you, did I?
Mm-mm. Oh.